Guess what? Come on, guess. Ta-da! Ice yarns. My package is here. Let's open it up. This time I ordered amigurumi yarn because I wanted to see what they looked like. I'm not going to do amigurumi, but I'm going to do some smaller projects. So I wanted to see if this yarn would work. And they were so cheap, so I grabbed a bunch of colors with it. So let's see how they're gonna look. Oh, everything is nice and neatly packed. Oh, they're a lot smaller than I expected, but that's okay, I guess. Beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Very tiny. Oh, it comes in with a little booklet. Okay. I will take a look at that. Let's see it up close. Ooh, okay, it is not too soft. It's got cotton in it, but it has beautiful color. Look at this. Okay. Nicely wound. And I think the size is okay. The weight of the yarn is okay. I'm going to put the weight and all the specifications on the screen. Okay, I think that was light turquoise, and all of these yarn, oh, look at this. This is lovely. I think this is light brown. These are 50% cotton and 50% acrylic for a 3mm needle size, US or hook. They're 25 grams each, and they go up to 80 meters, and they're weight 2. And they are 62 cents per ball. Okay, this one is light copper. That is nice. That's a nice orange. Okay, beautiful. They're all going to be the same except a couple of yarn that is going to be different. I ordered Adele, I ordered a Lara, and I ordered a Cotton Neck Fine. So other than that, all of these small ones, they are amigurumi cotton 25 yarn with just different colors. So I'm just showing you the different colors. And this one is light turquoise. The first one I saw was, I think, dark turquoise. This one is light turquoise. It's beautiful. Oh, this one is the Fettuccia Cotton Neck Fine Black. I butchered it, I feel like, but it was on a sale, so I bought 2 of it. 2 of this 8-pack, which means 16 of these cost $3.98 total. It was dirt cheap, so I got it. I think it was, yeah, it was so low. I never tried it. They only come in this black for that sale, so I got both of them because I can use this for combining stuff together. It can be a nice background, so I'm okay with it. Here's another color. I think this one is like khaki. Yep. Same yarn. It's just the colorway. It's beautiful. Not colorway, but color is beautiful. And this one's just a regular brown, I think, or is it dark brown? I don't know. I think this is brown. We shall see. I'm going to put all the right color names on the screen, so you're probably seeing all the names, so those are the correct names. I'm just going with what I'm seeing. This one's burgundy. It's a beautiful burgundy. I like it. Nice. Oh, this one's baby blue. I wanted to see this. This is very pretty. This is so good. Now I want this color in a big, I want this color in a big ball of yarn or a big skein so I can actually do something with it, because these are 25 grams. So you can't do much with it for like big stuff. But for the project that I have in mind, I need small yarn, and these are perfect size for this. I love this green. This is forest green. It's so beautiful. Why is green such a hard color? Like, there aren't decent, good shades of green, but this one is beautiful. Look at this. Oh, so good. Forest green. I can see that. Ooh, sorry about that. Oh my God. Oh, these are tomato red. These look like tomatoes. It's a beautiful name for this color. It is a tomato red. Yes, I completely agree. Beautiful. Beautiful. I should make tomatoes out of this. Like coasters. Wouldn't that be great? Tomato coasters. This color, that's perfect. Ah, this is navy. It's beautiful navy. It's very rich navy. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Look how great it is. Oh, so cute. What else? This one's blue jeans. Jeans blue. This one's jeans blue. Yep, that is blue jeans. Very true color. Beautiful. All right, going into the yellow and orange ways. Okay, this one is gold. And it is gold. Yep. Beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. This one's yellow. This one is yellow. It is a beautiful yellow. Oh, this is summertime yellow. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this. I love this. That's a true yellow. Yes. Okay, this one is the dark brown. So the one that we just took a look was the regular brown, and this one's dark brown. This is like chocolate brown. This is beautiful. Chocolate. We can make chocolates out of this too. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah. Totally doable. And this one's red. Just regular plain red. Yep. Beautiful. Beautiful. This one's light orange. It's very close to the gold color. Very close. Very nice. Oh, okay, this is the second pack of the black, so I'm not going to open that. And we're getting down to the other. Oh, okay, we're not done yet. I think this one's light blue, just regular light blue. Amigurumi Cotton 25 light blue. Beautiful. That baby blue is still the best one yet, though. That was beautiful. All right, now this one, I think this is Adele. Let's see. It's either Adele or a Lara. Let's see, this is Adele. Okay. Here it is. It is 50% cotton, 50% acrylic. Okay. That is a beautiful gray. I really like the gray. That is a gray. See, I can use this with all the amigurumi. They would work. Same size of yarn. Nice. That's a nice neutral. I like it. That's a very tiny bag too. All right, and this one's a Lara. That's a nice gray too. I don't know why I got gray. Oh, because Adele, I don't think there was white in Adele. In Lara, I got the white and the gray Lara. Oh, I'm sorry. Adele, I got the white and the gray. In Lara, I only got gray. It's beautiful and it is soft. It's beautiful. I really, it's not going to split. There is not going to be an opportunity for it to split. It's beautiful. Look at this. Oh, so good. Such a great gray. They do make grays beautifully. Yes. And then there's white. Yep. It's Adele, but in white. I'm going to show it to you anyways. Yep. That's the Adele. It's the same weight with all the other amigurumi. That was it. That was a small haul that I made. Now let's put it all together. Okay, so these are with the lot numbers, die lot numbers for the Adele. If you wanted to purchase it yourself, you can just type Adele and you can see all the colors because they're really nice. I'll see how good they are when I start working it to see if they are really good. And this one's a Lara, just light gray. All right, let's see the colorways together. I grouped them up so we can see them together. Okay, this one's the black one. First, we're going to take a look at the blues. There we go. Okay. And here are the reds. Tomato, red, and burgundy. Oh, look at these. These are so cute. The browns, the dark brown and the regular brown. That's nice. But that's it. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next yarn haul, and hope you're joining me in the tutorials too. Hope to see you then. Bye!